Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to add story highlights on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on your profile. Tap on the three vertical dots right next to Edit Profile. Select Archive. Tap on Story Archive. Tap on the story that you want to add to your highlights. Tap on Highlights at the bottom right of your screen. Add a name for your highlights by tapping on Collection. Tap on Save at the bottom of your screen. Go back to your Facebook profile. Now once you refresh your profile, you can see that a highlight has been created. And that's it. This is how you add story highlights on Facebook. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.